Hey guys, it's been a long time since I did a video because I've been sick and oh my god, you name it, life has been crazy, but look how pretty I look today. I'm so bad, no makeup, no nothing, but I just wanted to show you something really quick. So I washed my hair like 3 days ago. Oh yeah, and I'm not a redhead anymore. And it's on the greasy side. And I've been using the Launch products, which I love, but this time I am just going to apply the, what is this one, the Batiste Dry Shampoo in Divine Dark, just because my roots are dark. I was using the Launch Dry Shampoo. I think it was the Deja Vu, but it's really small. It's a tiny, tiny can, and I think it's, when you get it on sale, it's $11, which is not awful, but the problem is that I have to use so much of the product that I run out. I use it like 3 times and I'm done. So with this one, I don't have to use as much. It smells really good, and it gives me like a little brown tinge on my hair. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you really quick what I do when I have crazy hair like this and I don't have a lot of time. So I just brush my hair. Like, oh my god, it's just a mess. I washed it and I didn't do anything with it. So I just have like this mess. But it's okay. So I just brush it through. See how it's not greasy anymore. I love that dry shampoo. It's really good. And so I'm going to use the Launch, what is this called? The Levite brush. I actually did a review, like a first impression review on it. I really love this thing. I have another one of their tools. It's the La Rev, I believe. And it's really good as well. Sorry. So I'm gonna turn it on, and initially it goes to 350, but I'm gonna use it at 430. It goes up to 450 actually. So while that heats up, I'm going to part my hair right in the middle and clip it, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna go like this with it because that's gonna what everybody does. But I'm gonna show you a really cool trick. If you wanna get that nice blowout look, I actually saw a girl do this similar way on Facebook. But what I do is that I go from the back and then I go up. And it gives me a tiny little wave, but it's really pretty. We'll see when I do it right. So you can grab as much as hair as you want. But see, I just go up, kind of like sideways, I guess. And it gives me this pretty wave. It's not a curl, but it's a pretty wave, and it looks like I'm getting a blowout. And look how smooth it looks, and shiny and pretty. I don't use heat protector. Everybody says that you should, but I only use it when I first wash it. That's when I use it. Okay, see how easy this is? So I just go up with the brush and look, so easy. And then this is when I'm rushing and I have no time to do anything. Then I'll part just the crown again. Put in the middle, and then for the sections that did not get smoothed out. So I brush it too, just to make sure there's no tangles. And then go up. It's just so quick and easy. Doesn't take long to do it, and this is perfect for like morning routine if you're in a hurry. Ow! Okay, I just pulled my hair. Big time. Yeah, I'm not a very gentle person. Okay, so don't do that. If you notice that your hair is getting stuck, just stop. Don't pull it, don't force it. Okay. So what I love about this is that it doesn't leave your hair flat. It gives you volume, and at the same time your hair looks smooth and soft and shiny and healthy and beautiful. You see the shine? See how shiny it looks? Yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna finish up this side and then I'm gonna do the top. Be right back. Alright, that only took me like 2 minutes. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do the top. I like to part it this way. Now with these highlights I like. Anyway, so you can part it whichever way you want, in the middle, on the side, whatever, but just follow this. So you just get the hair, put it in the brush, and then, oh god, it's getting stuck. And then you brush it up. Okay, and you kind of see the volume. It's awesome. Let's do it again. Alright, let's do this. Why is this getting stuck? I think it's because of I have too much powder on my hair. Powder meaning dry shampoo, which is basically what it is powder. But look at all the volume I got. Alright. And again, you're not curling your hair, but you're also not straightening it or flat ironing it. You're just basically giving it a little bit of body while you don't look like you have a bird's nest on your head like I did before. Okay. Yeah, you brush your hair like this, it's very effective. Okay, so let's go. And it's not cooperating. Alright, let's see. Going up. And then brush, brush, brush. Alright. Did I just turn this thing off? No, I don't think I did. The volume is crazy. Look at this. Ah, I love this brush. Love, love, love. Alright, I think I missed this spot right here. What is going on? Okay. There we go. I'm not a hairstylist and I'm not a professional, but this is just for people like me. Don't have a lot of time, but still want to look decent. To go to the supermarket. So I'm just gonna finish this one. And look how pretty. Very simple. And I'm gonna look at the back right now. I'm gonna grab my mirror just to make sure my bald spot is not showing. I'm joking. I'm just want to make sure that it looks decent, and it does. See, it doesn't look like a bird's nest. It's shiny and healthy and pretty. At least I think so. Anyway guys, I'm gonna put some mascara on or something so I don't look so sick. But I just wanted to show you really quick how I style my hair very fast when I'm in a hurry and I don't want to wash my hair and blow dry and spend an hour doing it. No, this is quick. It's like, takes me 10 minutes, if that. Anyway, besitos. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I can upload another video very soon.